Hello everyone, I'm Isaac and welcome back to another episode of All Round Reviews. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to control and set up proper privacy on your Telegram account. Telegram is one of the most popular chat apps after WhatsApp, which happens to be my favorite at the moment, and it offers lots of rich features. It's private and fast. You can access your messages from all your phones, tablet, computers at once. No need for a custom backup. You can send media and files without any limit on their type and size. It's so powerful you can create group chats with up to 200k members and share contents of any type and size with them. But all this become less of a concern and annoying when you keep getting spam messages or added to groups you don't want to be in without your permission. Not to worry, I'll show you guys how you can prevent all this and keep enjoying Telegram once again. Let's get started. So first up, you want to launch your Telegram application. So this tip is going to work for any Telegram client, but I'm using the official Telegram app. So just go to settings, and in the settings tab, go to privacy and security. So here you get a bunch of options for your privacy setups and security. So the first one, you see blocked users, so you can actually block users on Telegram. And the second option here says a phone number. So here you can restrict who can see your phone numbers on Telegram. So if you're on a group that has a lot of members in it, everyone can actually view your contacts if you don't restrict who can see it from this section. So if you restrict it only my contacts, only your contacts in the group can, only the contents you have on your phone that are in the group, the same group with you, can actually see your contacts when they check your profile. But if you restrict it to nobody, even your contacts and everybody and others can't see your phone number. So just select whichever one you have. If you leave it on everybody, then everyone can view your phone number from anywhere and any country. So going back, let me set this to okay. Going back, we'll have a last seen and online. So here you can set who can see your last seen, like an hour ago, yesterday, or 1 month ago, things like that. So I have mine on nobody, so you can select your contact or everybody, whichever option you prefer. And if you go back, you have profile photos, so you can also restrict who can view your profile photos, and also add exceptions. If you want, you can add users who can see your profile and users who cannot. So if you go back, you can also put some privacy on forwarded messages and to contact everybody and nobody, and also add user exceptions. And also you can restrict who can call you on Telegram. So most of the times the spam you get come from the super groups you're in, so anyone can actually call you on Telegram if they want to. But if you restrict it to just your contacts or nobody, then you won't receive unnecessary calls you don't want to. So the main one here is the group, so you can decide who adds you to a group here or not. So you can select only your contacts or everybody. So if it's on everybody, anyone on Telegram can add you to any group of the choice, which you don't, most of the times you don't want to. So you can restrict it to just your contacts or add exceptions of who can add you and who can never add you on Telegram's group with the options below with the add exceptions. And going down, you have some extra security settings of a password lock, two-step verification, active sections, and when your account should be deleted for when you are away. So if you're away for 1 year straight, your accounts get deleted. And the rest of it, you can also sync your contacts on Telegram. You can also delete sync contacts. You can also suggest favorite contacts and all. So bonus tip, guys, if you've been using Telegram for a very long time, you'll notice whenever a new contact joins Telegram, you get a notification that, oh, this user person has joined Telegram. And if you don't want that, you can easily disable that in notification and settings. If you go back, you see notification and settings, and if you scroll down here, you'll find contact joined Telegram. So if you uncheck this, you will not receive any messages of new contact that join Telegram. But if you check it, any of the new contact or friends that join Telegram, you'll get notified about that. Alright, that's been it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please do well to subscribe to the channel for more awesome contents like this. Give us a thumbs up and hit that notification bell for when we make a new post. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.